Today, we're going to talk about how you will start saving instantly with Savings Highway Global when you go get your spot. If you don't know how to get your spot, the link is down below. Go to that website, scroll down, find the Savings Highway Global box. There's going to be a little button there for you to click. You click on that button, and it's going to take you over to allow you to get access to your Savings Highway Global spot where you can start saving money today. That quickly. It's incredible. We're in over 16 different countries. They have a goal to get 1 million families out of debt, and you're not going to find a system like this anywhere else. I have been doing saving money tips and tricks for a very, very long time, and I haven't seen anything like what they can provide us here at Savings Highway Global. So to go through it today, I'm going to show you, I don't have anyone here with me, but I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get and what you're going to do once you get your spot and how you're going to start saving money instantly. So you're going to get signed up and you will then have a dashboard. So when you have your dashboard, you get to come up here and at the very top, the first thing we have here is save money. My savings portal is where we're going to go first, because that's what we're going to start saving on first. And I'm doing this left-handed, so give me a moment. Here we go. Enter savings portal is what I'm looking for. So we're going to enter our savings portal. That was a lot of hype to get up there. Sorry about that. I will start using my other hand. So we're here at our savings portal, and we're going to go and we're going to log in. Well, once you get logged in, you're going to open it up and you're going to be able to see all of the savings that you're going to have that are available to you when you get your spot with Savings Highway Global. We have our amazing savings portal, as you see, and the first thing you're going to do to start saving money, this is step by step what you're going to do when you get your system. First, you're going to come, why did it go to the top? First, you're going to come down here and you are going to get special discounts available on your auto insurance. So you're going to get a quote. Click the button, go through the system, get a quote for it. You see that it saves you money. You change your auto insurance policy. You've already lowered a monthly bill right there. So then you go over and you click get a quote for your home insurance policy. There's also renter's insurance policy available. So if you're a renter, that's okay too. If you have renter's insurance, I highly suggest that. Just a side note there. You can do your renter's insurance. You're going to get a quote there. You're going to see that it saves you money. You're going to switch your policy. You've lowered another monthly bill. 2 ways you're immediately going to start saving money. From there, what I suggest that you do. After that, you're going to go in to get your coupons. They provide you with grocery coupons. So you're going to go in, you're going to clip your coupons, print your free coupons. You're going to go in and you're going to immediately be able to start saving on your gasoline. Save up to 25 cents per gallon. So right here, we have 4 things that we have slashed your budget on. Just by getting your spot and opening it up. Slash your budget, change your bill on your car insurance, change your bill on your homeowner's insurance or renter's insurance policy. Come in, get ready for your next grocery haul, clip your coupons for that. Come in, also get ready that you can actually go put some gas in your car with these gas prices, right? 25 cents a gallon. Get signed up for that. Health insurance, health care. See if we have the right plan for you. Call and get a quote for that. Health insurance can be tricky, so that's when it's available. I don't know what you have available at the moment, so that's something that could save you money as well. And the other thing that they offer for you is lowering your monthly bills. They will actually negotiate with you or for you with the people that you're already paying bills to. And they have a whole long list of people that they work with. They were able to do it for me. It's also one of the income streams that you can open up when you get your system here. Today we're talking about ways to save, but don't forget that this system immediately opens you 10 streams of income as well. So you get your spot, you go in, you immediately start saving this money we just walked through on your insurance, gas, groceries. Then you get set up to have a consultation, free consultation, to lower your bills. Okay? You're going to go in and you're going to do that. Then you have 10 streams of income that are immediately opened up. But today we are talking about the savings. If you want to know more about starting your business for the $100, there is another video on that as well. Go look over at that and I'll tell you what you get for starting your business. Because the system is so much, I had to make 2 videos on it. It's just too much. But here we go with, after we've done those savings for insurance, gas, and groceries, because those are some really main staples in everybody's household. And if we can get your budget and your payments down there, it's only going to be looking up, right? After that, you have a lot of different options here. We have everyday savings. So with the everyday savings, we'll see what's available here. It kind of changes. Oh, so you're shopping by, here we go. There, it's loading. So we have hotel deals. You have now, oh, that's new. I haven't seen that yet. A Savings Scout Chrome extension, which those are great, right? Because if you're online shopping, it's going to do all the work for you there. A free activity pad, HelloFresh. I mean, all these different things are available to you just by opening up your membership for Savings Highway Global. And when you have me, I am going to walk you through step by step of what you need to do in order to be able to start saving immediately. And like I said in this video, you're going to start with your auto insurance. You're going to start with your homeowner's insurance. You're going to start with your groceries, getting your coupons clipped. You're also going to start with your gas savings, because to me, those are so important to get those bills lowered, because then from there, you can work on your other monthly bills that they are able to help you negotiate. So the things that you get with this system are absolutely incredible. And in today's world, with the inflation and the way everything is going, with prices rising, gas prices continuing to go up, everything going on, here's your answer. Because you're saving money and you're opening up 10 streams of income all at once. And multiple streams of income is the answer. So if you haven't gotten your spot yet with Savings Highway Global, you need to go over, you need to check it out. There is the link down below. What that's going to take you to is my personal website, not the one you're seeing here. It's going to be my personal site, and you will see a picture of me on it. As you're scrolling down, you're going to find your box for Savings Highway Global, which will be what this right here, it has that logo and everything. You're going to click the button for that. And where that's going to take you is this page. And that page is what is going to start getting you access to your Savings Highway Global. But you're more than welcome to browse my website and see all the other things that I have there for you to check out. And then when you have started saving your money and you're ready to start making money, go see my video on how to start doing that. Get mentored by me. I get in contact with you. I am very intentional with everybody that starts using this system because were referred by me. I'm very intentional. I want you to know that I'm here. I want you to know that I want you to succeed. Whether your intention is literally just to save money, because you can do that, or if your intention is also to start saving money and making money at the same time. You're not going to find anything like this anywhere else. So click that link down below. Go get your spot for Savings Highway Global and start making money today. Rewind this video, go through the step-by-step process on your dashboard after you've gotten your spot, and you'll see the savings that you have coming to you. And then after that, I guarantee you're going to want to start telling everyone about it. And when you're ready to tell everyone about it, they're going to reward you for it, because our motto is to save, share, and prosper. All right, so for today of 2022, we are doing it, guys. We are saving money and we're making money all at the same time. Go get your spot with Savings Highway Global. Click that link below, get signed up, and we're going to hit the ball rolling with starting saving and making you money, because this year is not over yet. I will see you guys on the other side. Talk to you soon.